Good afternoon, students. In last chapter, we have done distance formula and related question of that. Now we can start what section formula. We know how can find out the distance between 2 points by the distance formula. And now we can find the coordinate like this point P, whose coordinate are what? x1, y1, and this is a point Q whose coordinate are x2 and y2, and this is a point R which divide this in this ratio m raised to 2. So section formula telling how can you find out the coordinate of this point. Let these are coordinates of this point. So what's the value of x is equal to m1 x2 plus internally r is divided internally m1 x2 m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Understood? Why? How can you find out? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 m1 plus m2. These both coordinates given, these both coordinates given, m value given, m2 value given, so easily you can find out. This is known as what? Section formula. So another way also like this. These are the, you can say this is a P point whose coordinate are x1, y1. This is Q whose x2, y2, and this is the point R. You can see this divide K raised to 1. So what are its coordinates? Let x and y. So what's the value? This second formula given, this is given like this. You can say like this given. If coordinate of P given, Q given and R given, and we have to tell R divide this line segment into which ratio, then we are applying this formula. So which formula is this? This is let x and y are the coordinate. X is equal to what? K x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by what? K plus 1. X value given, x2 value given, x1 given. So find out value with the help of this what? K value, and similarly y is equal to k y2 plus 1 into y1 over k plus 1. Easily you can find out. In special case you can say if both divide in the ratio 1 raised to 1, equal ratio. This is a line segment. Its P point, its Q point, its coordinate are x1, y1, its coordinate are x2, y2, and this point R divide these into ratio 1 raised to 1. So what are the coordinate of x and y you have to tell. So x, here you can say, what you can say? m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 1. So apply formula this, x is equal to m1 1 into x2, this m2 also 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1. It's meaning x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to again 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. So this, if divide in this ratio, it's meaning if divide in equal ratio, its x coordinate plus its x coordinate divided by 2, what's coming? Its value of this x coordinate coming. Similarly of y. So example number Now example related to this question given. Example number 6 given. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment this and this in which ratio 3 raised to 1. So easily I think you can solve this, no problem. Then next example given. In what ratio does the point, which point? You can say example number 7, page number 164. In what ratio does the point -4, 6 divide the line segment joining this point? So this is a line segment given, whose one side a point whose ratio -6 and what's given 10 given, and this is given 3 and -8. Here is a point. What point you can say? This point you can say C. This C divide in which ratio? In what ratio does the points and its coordinate are -4 and 6? You have to tell C divide this line segment in which ratio? You can say K raised to 1. Understood? So find out first coordinate. You can find out -4 equal to, this is, you know, m1 is K here into x2 is what? 3 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is what? -6 divided by K plus 1. So this -4 is equal to 3K minus 6 or K plus 1. Cross multiplication, this is become -4 K plus 1 is equal to 3K minus 6. What this implies? -4K minus 4 is equal to 3K minus 6. Understood? So this is what's coming. This also bring -4K minus 3K is equal to -6 plus 4. So what's coming? This is coming. -7K is equal to what? -2. Cancel this. K is equal to 2/7. So what's the value of K? What's the value of K? 2/7. 2/7. So what's its ratio? So K raised to 1 is what? 2 raised to 7. Here numerator is what? K and denominator is what? K raised to 1 taken, that's why. Understood? Or in this way understood? K raised to 1. So 2/7 is equal to 1. LCM taken 7. 2 raised to 7. This is why 2 raised to 7. You can apply anyway, no problem. This is also okay. Understood? So solve this example. Ayat also. We will start what? Exercise we can start. I am telling first question, exercise 7.2. Find the coordinate of the point which divide the join this and this in this ratio. Again this is given. Let this first name is A, whose coordinate are what? -1 and 7, and this is another point whose coordinate are 4 and -3, and this is B, and C divide in which ratio? 2 raised to 3. Let its coordinate are x and y. So what's the value of x? As you know, m1 x2 plus m1 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Here what is x1? -1. y1 7, x2 4, y2 -3, m1 2, m2 3. Put value. X is equal to m1 2 into x2 4 plus m2 3 into minus 1 divided by 2 plus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 by 5. It's meaning 5 by 5 how much? 1. So what's the value of x is what? X is equal to 1. Similarly, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 is what? 2, y2, what's y2? Minus 3 plus m2 is what? 3 into what? y1 is what? 7 divided by m1 2 plus 3. So what is this? Minus 6 plus 21 by 5 is equal to 15 by 5. It's meaning 3. Therefore x and y is equal to what? 1 and 3. Understood? Point C, whose coordinate are what? 1 and 3. Question number 2, 7.2. Find the coordinate of the point of the trisection of the line segment joining this point. So this is a line segment. Whose point this is A, whose coordinate are 4 and minus 1, and B, whose coordinate are what? Minus 2, minus 3. Find the coordinates of the point trisection of the line segment. Trisection. So mean trisection mean divide into 3 ratio. Let this is a point P and this is a point Q. Okay. So you have to find out what? Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of the line segment. So you have to find out the coordinate of P and Q. So P, so let P are x1, y1 and Q is x2, y2. Understood? First find out coordinate of this point P. So P divide in which ratio? P divide 1 raised to 2. Because these are two parts, this is one part. So x1 is equal to, so what's here? m1 equal to 1 and m2 equal to 2. So what's coming? Formula is this. What's m1 is what? 1 into coordinate of whose? Coordinate of this point. What's coming? Minus 2 plus what's coming? What's the m2? 2 into 4 divided by 1 plus 2. How much? Minus 2 plus 8 by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to 2. So here x1 equal to 2. Understood? Similarly, watch y1 again m1 is what? 1 into y2 is what? Minus 3 plus m2 is 2 into what? Into minus 1. So what's coming? 1 plus 2. So what is this? Minus 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So y2 is what? y1 is what? Minus 5 by 3. Then you have to find out what you have to find out. You have to find out coordinate of this point Q. So you can say PB is a line segment and Q divides PB in the ratio. In which ratio? 1:1. Understood? So this formula you know, its coordinate plus its coordinates divided by 2 its coordinates. So x2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 by 2. 0 by 2, it's means 0 by something 0. y2 is what? Minus 3 plus minus 5 by 3 divided by 2. So minus 9 minus 5 by 3 and whole is divided by 2. So this is minus 14 by 3 into 1 by 2. It's meaning minus 7 by 3. So it's meaning x2 equal to 0 and y2 equal to minus 7 by 3. You can find out by another way also. This q, divide this complete line segment in the ratio 2 raised to 1. You can apply any whole or okay. Question number 3, exercise 7.2. To conduct sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground, ABCD line have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So this downside is 1 meter, 2 meter in your book given. This is a figure given. To conduct sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground, ABCD line have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter each along AD. So this is flower pots are put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this flower pots are put. And this is this distance 1 meter, this also 1 meter, this also 1 meter, this chalk powder line are drawn. As shown in the figure, Niharika run 1/4 the distance, 1/4 the distance of AD on second line. So this AD how much here? AD 100 flower pots and the difference between the two flower pots is 1 meter, it's meaning 100 meter. So what's the 1/4 of AD? It's meaning 1/4 into 100, it's meaning 25. Understood? And in which row? Second row, second line. Second line. So what are its coordinates? Niharika standing at which position? 2 and 25. Yes or no? AD on the second line and the post a green flags. So green flags here. Preeti run 1/5 of the distance of AD. What's the 1/5 of AD? 1/5 into 100. It's meaning how much? 20 meters you can say. And on the 8th line, this is 8th line. So coordinate of what? Preeti, you can say what are 8 and 20. Understood? If Rasmi has posted the blue flag exactly halfway between the line segments joining, so one is here and another is here is Niharika, whose 2 and 25, and here is what? Preeti, whose coordinate are 8 and 20. Or you can say like this. This is Niharika, whose coordinates are 2 and 25, and here is 8 and 20. In between these meaning divide in which ratio? 1 raised to 1. Rashmi or post the blue flag exactly halfway between the segment joining. Here should she post her flag? It's meaning this trust me, divide this line segment in which ratio 1 raised to 1. So what are the, let its coordinate are x and y. So what's the value of x? This x1 plus x2 divided by 2. It's meaning 2 plus 8 divided by 2. It's meaning 10 by 2. It's meaning 5th. Y is equal to what? 25 plus 20 by 2. It's meaning 45 by 2. It's meaning 22 and a half. So what are the coordinates? Its coordinates are 5 and 22.5. You can see. Understood? So easily you can solve so much easy exercise as this. So what do you want? Solve these all examples from example number 6 and try to solve first 4 questions also in your rough notebook. Remaining also try. If any problem, tomorrow we will discuss about this. And if you thinking like this, section formula derivative also important, so try to understand. If anywhere problem, tell me. I will discuss it. Thank you.